Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this is my daily rant. It has to do with the announcements that Microsoft made today. And there were several of them for Windows. And what bogs me down, what really bothers me here is there's never in any of those features a timeline. So we talk about admin protection that I talked about. Now, we're kind of thinking it's 25H2. Why? Because a lot of us think that the dev channel is testing 25H2 right now. Now, there's the other changes, like, the famous change where the developer section here for developers will become, advanced. So advanced features or advanced, settings. There's tons of these little things here and there. There's things of AI that's going to be added. We have Microsoft Edge. I talked about the fact that you could, on PDFs, you could actually do a translation. I did a video, showed you how to do it. Now, there's going to be an advanced version of this coming, which is going to be way better than what we have now and had more languages. But all of that is, here's what's coming, here's what's coming, here's what's coming. But none of them is, here's what's coming in 25H2, or here's what's coming in a month, or here's what's coming in 2 weeks. I get it that over time, Microsoft did ask, or did actually give us timelines that they often couldn't meet. And I get it that sometimes a feature might be a little more difficult to implement than others. But honestly, you could kind of say, if all goes well, this should be in 25H2. It could even be a phrase that, it's going to be in 25H2 at some point. At least we know we're not going to wait for it now. It's going to come maybe this fall with 25H2. Or maybe it's going to be somewhere a little later, added after we have 25H2 on the machines. So this is what I find the most annoying in all the announcements, is there's never a timeline of anything. The last timeline that they actually had seriously was the Copilot plus PC AI stuff with Recall, which they couldn't meet. They just decided, okay, we're not going to do it at that time. And they tweaked it and worked on it. And it's an example of maybe why they're scared of giving out dates or time periods, a time frame of some sort to tell us when a feature is going to be there. But I mean, there are some features in there that I'm pretty sure it's already pretty much known that, well, we're not that far away from being successful, and this is going to be part of this or that update, or in 25H2. So I don't know. Microsoft should maybe be a little more proactive and say, hey, we think this is going to be available in this version of Windows, and at least we have an idea of when things come out, rather than now being in the dark and it's like, oh, look at all these features that will come one day. When? I don't know. One day. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.